Hi, welcome. I'm back again. I'm here today just to celebrate medical technology and development. I remember in 1999 when I was doing my um, senior project. My senior project was on finding a cure for sickle cell anemia because I have a cousin that has sickle cell anemia and I had watched her suffer. And my only thought was, as my project, was to find something that would give her relief. And that was back, as I stated, in 1999. And I did extensive study on sickle cell anemia. Back then, they were just coming up with the hydroxyurea for these patients. But what I want to say today is that I thank God that my cousin is in her 60s, which is really rare for sickle cell anemic patients. She's had a full career. She's been an advocate for sickle cell patients here in at children's hospitals all over the nation. And I just want to thank God for finally there is gene therapy because back in the early 90s they were just mapping the genome for our DNA for all parts of our body. Now they have found sequences to every just about every part of the DNA in our bodies. But I'm just on today to just say to all of those sickle cell warriors who endured all of the agony and pain and the disrespect and the questioning of their condition by many of the medical professionals that thought that they were just, wanting drugs. I thank God that there has been more attention given to the disease of sickle cell anemia, and we have a young lady that has now been cured, and my cousin is considering going for the trial to get the gene therapy to get the cure for sickle cell anemia. So I just pray that if you know anyone that has sickle cell anemia, encourage them, uplift them, and just, let them know that they have been a warrior and now the answer has come. Because many patients that can't get bone marrow transplants or is just too risky, this particular procedure, which allows, I think it's called CRISPR. You might want to do some research on it, but CRISPR is the procedure where they take and, you know, put the genetically modified blood cells and re-inject them into the sickle cell patient for healing. But I just wanted to come on today just briefly to uplift all the sickle cell anemia warriors. And I want to ask any of you to contribute who can or who's willing, get involved. That's something to get involved with, the Sickle Cell Anemia Association. And there is a group called Dream Sickle Kids Foundation. So if you want to do something to contribute or to help in this area for to help children that are and their families that are suffering with sickle cell anemia, I encourage you to connect with the Dream Sickle Kids Foundation. May you be blessed today. And if you or someone in your family is suffering with some type of ailment, just be encouraged because, as I stated years ago, my desire was to find a cure for sickle cell or for cancer. I didn't do it, but God caused someone to do it. And I thank God that I did learn about this and had such a strong interest in it. But I am so happy that there is currently a cure for sickle cell anemia. And to those of you that have are cancer survivors or know someone that has a cancer diagnosis, diagnosis. I my next video, I'm going to give you some recommendations of how to juice. Two books that really helped me and my mother when we were diagnosed with cancer, and how it helped us to beat it. So I want to just be as encouraging as I can, and I just wanted to come back on today and to say congratulations to the medical field, to those individuals that relentlessly research and do, and doctors that spend their lives trying to find cures rather than trying to keep patients continuously bridled with sickness and disease. So I want to thank God that He worked through these doctors, and we currently have a cure for sickle cell anemia. It's a gene therapy treatment. So if you know anyone that has suffered and they don't know about this, I'm asking you to spread the word. Again, thank you for listening. If you like this video, I would like for you to like it and to subscribe. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye bye.